Hi, here's a video of a 74-year-old gentleman living in Florida, living his best life golfing. And great swing, don't you think? Well, would you ever think that he has a 2-level lumbar disc arthroplasty, disc replacement? In 2007, this gentleman had a 2-level lumbar disc replacement, Synthes Pro Disc L at L45 and L5S1. The x-ray on your left is his follow-up visit at 1 month after surgery. And the x-ray on your right is an x-ray from this past June of 2023. He's now almost 17 years status post 2-level lumbar disc replacement and doing extremely well. And you can't say that about most lumbar fusions nowadays. So I wanted to present that. I have a number of others that I will be presenting over the next few weeks. I want you to have a great night and stay healthy.